Are leather luggages tags simply flights of fancy? Planning your family holiday, luggage included. The perfect luggage helps make a trip successful, be it for a quick weekend getaway to visit Grandpa, or a 10-day Caribbean cruise with the whole family. Getting the right backpack, carry-on, or suitcase will make your trip that much better. But for many travelers, particularly families that travel for vacation, the biggest risk, and cause for frustration, is when their luggage goes on a trip of its own. It can happen anywhere and for various reasons, whether because of occasional airline baggage delays, or connecting flight mix-ups. This leads to delays and even loss of your personal belongings. What's the least an average globe-trotting tourist like you can do so that your luggage goes wherever you go? When your luggage goes on a holiday, without you. The best thing to do is putting luggage tags on your bags. Taking this precaution while you travel goes a long, long way. And while almost all airlines and cruise liners today have upgraded baggage tracking technology, making sure that you've placed identification on your property makes all the difference. One study cites that only 0.005% of all checked baggage is permanently lost, with delayed bags being returned within hours. But why should you risk if you can do something about it? Tagging your bag. As a traveler, who else would know better about taking care of your stuff than you? Safety begins at home, and taking certain precautions will help you a lot. Traveling has its inherent risks. Therefore, never pack items or valuables that are impossible to replace. Prescriptions, travel documents and cash, as well as jewelry should be kept close to you when you travel. Luggage tags are required. It is primary form of identification that makes your luggage immediately recognizable as your property. To prevent your bag from being grabbed off the baggage carousel by a traveler too rushed to check if it's his, place a unique luggage tag that you may recognize at once. Leather luggage tags are a chic way to place your identification on your bags. You can easily pick out your stuff from among the hundreds of similar items on the baggage carousel, or in overhead bins and seat pockets with a personalized luggage tag. It's smart to take precautions on every bag, even the ones you plan to keep with you on the plane. If your luggage does not arrive in the baggage claim area, find the baggage agent on duty immediately. There's a chance your luggage already arrived and is locked up in the agent's area for safekeeping. Sometimes luggage is loaded onto a non-stop flight even though you were on a plane that had a stopover on the way, so your suitcases get there before you. If your luggage is not there, do not leave the airport before completing the paperwork for the baggage agent. Fill out all information about your luggage on the forms provided. Be as detailed as possible. Get a phone number to call in case you need to follow up. Practical and chic, trendy and durable, luggage tags are the easiest and most visible way of identifying your luggage. By far, leather luggage tags are the most popular and reliable kind. They can come in a variety of colors, from vivid colors like pink, orange and green, to more subtle natural tones offered in the market. This highly visible tag ensures you'll always find your bag. Use them on luggage, gym bags, backpacks, and on your other bags. Leather luggage tags often come with features like the covered ID window, which can also hold your business card, and snap covers that can be placed over your name and address information to ensure privacy. Another feature would be the small combination lock that usually comes with the leather luggage tag. So, if you and your family are planning a vacation to some far-off adventure, stuffing the trunk and roughing it out just won't do anymore. Keep tabs on your suitcases with luggage tags. You might even want to pick out a leather luggage tag that's outfitted with innovative application of RFID technology. It makes it easier for you and your family to travel, so you can enjoy your vacation. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe for more videos.